ndewo ndewo onye kere ụwa ndewo imeela Chineke na ndewo onye kere ụwa ndewo imeela Chineke na ndewo onye kere ụwa ndewo imeela na ndewo imeela Chineke na ndewo onye kere ụwa ndewo imeela Chineke na ndewo imeela Chineke na ndewo onye kere ụwa ndewo imeela Chineke na ndewo Chineke na ndewo onye kere ụwa ndewo imeela. Nna asị m ka anyị kelee ka anyị mekwara Chineke na ndewo na otekwana o tegwekwana biko ihe akwa 1 year now Ijele like play for now see Ijele cannot be arrested. See, anybody can be arrested in Nigeria. Equity Ijenga. I'm just trying to remind you people now. I'm trying to remind you people. I'm trying to remind you people. No, Ijele speaks. Did you people actually forget that young man? That is what I'm trying to say. Did you people forgot Ijele in that place or no? Because when you Ijele, because it's been a while. I know they were makia. It's been a while because you know propaganda. When just no evangelist we could be GA. Ne kwesi get up ya. Man then I say I Ijele. We are going back to Ijele. Kadije malona injustice done for you. You know I say I post speech for na face. I post speech for na face. I'm working on my integrity. I'm working on my integrity. Jule everywhere nezu yale. Plan to stand for Ijele. I try to stand up for Ijele. Now I have to stand up. And when Ijele was busy ridiculing people and trying to say no you no ya buy no ya man, people did not say anything. It hurts me so when put on a boy and anya care and on ya. Yeah, only with them moon boom madonya care and on ya. Kita na Ijele kanopa nime. Wamenkena aya. Amankona aya. Nobody is saying anything. I think I'm very chetekwali because now this is 1 year plus. This is getting in few days time, in few weeks time now. Man, 1 year, 1 solid year. Akwonya say na Ijele man last kele no oje kale that place oje pota na yes no oje hana za petition na but see, let me tell you, when there's thousands of evidences against you of him, anybody can be arrested. Anybody can be arrested, so you can remain the canon notable. Chineke na ndewo. We are still singing that the same song of Chineke na ndewo. Agala 2024, I na 2025. Onye kere ụwa ndewo. So he actually agreed that in his subconsciousness and his mind that somebody that created this world. Not like Mazidibia saying I see a double bang where that. I see a double bang, it's a parallel world. So Igbo people, we are separated out of the parallel world. Chief then even with Jesus no there's a tribe Bundi Igbo no. There's a tribe Bundi Igbo no. That is why go history. For Egypt are written in the Bible. Ethiopia we are there because na Solomon one from Ethiopia. But you know, pay attention. You do the after. Actually, the actual had to us again in the year 2000 years ago. Before Jesus and Igbo has been doing this. Who is disagreeing with you? Who is disagreeing with you? The Igbo people started existing after Jesus. No, now we have been there. We have been there. No, now actually push propaganda. Now marry now say they are trying to write off. They are trying to write us off the map. No, we have been there from ages. Now what I go? Civilization, but eye touch of the world be the around Igbo, Africa. And these were some histories there. I remember no bros also Egypt to the only African country no. Name well others. name will others. A country like Congo and Uganda, where the highest mineral resources in the world, they are still suffering. It's not as if that God has not blessed Africa. God blessed us, Africa. That's not a question on why I live independently on our own. But we believe in this inferiority mindset. But I feel no make it. And so many people that have not stepped their foot outside this country, Nigeria, and they are doing massively well, more than this, more than they are doing excellently well, both in education, in career, in their academics, in everything, their business, in every area of their they found themselves. They are doing excellently well in it. When I travel back on out of Nigeria, that's why Dr. Paul and Nature will keep saying that abroad is never above. Abroad. So one name okay be Ijele. You have 1 year Ijele, get 1 year, yeah. And people are keeping quiet because I say Ijele does not mean anything to them anymore. You people are keeping quiet, not happy Ijele ever. Everybody will pay for their sins, so especially all these bloggers. No, I follow no. It's not how far, but how well. I follow you people are you people because now a time is coming when everybody their answer to get to your metal. Keep pushing, just keep pushing all this agenda on push. I'm here watching. It will rage you. I will be here and I remind you people that now when people are sowing this seed of hate and disunity in the life of people, no matter, people can easily be influenced into doing something they don't want to do. You can easily influence people to do all this social media something. If you are influencing them and they are doing things, but so we are there. Okay, now so cordon number in the bye and everything you are doing. When I go no to go back Ijele, no that place. Bye.
Before I come out for anything. And let me repeat, any bingo that position himself as a threat to me, I go buy you. You dey hear me? If you want talk, we go talk and from now till tomorrow. You present yourself a threat to me, I will apply my right to self-defense and buy you first. So make una and you nothing say make we come now dey talk, oh abeg make una make peace. Never. You see this correct? Yeah. Until anybody wey dey lie make e enter jail. As for all this I dey go tomorrow. Okay? I dey go tomorrow when I reach. In fact, I go even do video before I enter. Tell I say I don go see me here. I don reach. All right? I go do video. Tell una say I don reach. Okay? We will go there.